Here's yours. Careful, it's
First time.
I think it's spilling. It's dripping. Cut. Cut. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. So today I thought I would just do like cozy, relaxing day here at home and just get in the holiday spirit. I have to do some like winter cleaning, is that what they call it? I don't know. And I wanted to bake some cookies today. So I just showered, started my day, and I'm gonna get a coffee first. Let's go to Dunkin'. Just picked up our drinks. Here's yours. Careful, it's
first time.
I think it's spilling.
First
oh
time.
My gosh. It's dripping. Cut. Cut. Okay.
Hey guys!
Oh, we got our drinks. This is take two. I got an iced cookie butter latte with oat milk, no whipped cream. It looks really good. I'm excited. And Benji, what did you get? It is dripping.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
I got a small frappuccino chocolate mocha.
Yes, it's like a chocolate frozen mocha.
Yeah.
I think that's what they call the frappuccinos in Dunkin'.
This is my first time in Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah, it's his first time trying a Dunkin' drink. So, cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
Ooh.
Hold on, I ain't got it yet.
Yeah, all the chocolate's at the bottom. This is good. 10 out of 10. This is the perfect way to start a video at Dunkin'.
It's a 10. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
And they put so much like chocolate drizzle and whipped cream on it. Like, it looks really good. But I'm not much of a frappuccino person.
This is my new favorite drink.
Like, I like them, but I have to be in a specific mood to actually order one.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, Callie's here too. Here's Callie. We brought her along in our little adventure. You wanna say hi? You're so cutie. Oh, she's so precious. He's such a baby. Let's go back home and start the day. Wait, what is it? Wait. Keep it 100. Let's see. The sky. Pledge allegiance to your hand, your team, your heart. Why are you staring at me? This kid's always judging me. Okay, bye. What did you say?
It's a Universal Grinch.
This is the Grinch from Universal Studios.
Yeah.
You can't really see him well, but oh my god. Someone has a giant, the inflatable Grinch. It's hilarious.
Yeah.
Aww. Are you tired now? You lay down? Aw, you're so cute. My favorite part is that as much as you want. The next day, but I just sat down to do some work for my internship, but I wanted to show you the candle I got the other day at Bath & Body Works. It's the crushed candy cane. It's so cute. I love this smell. I've had it on for a few minutes now and already like I'm obsessed. So, and I just made an iced vanilla latte with the oat milk. I'm really excited to try this. So yeah. Let's try it. Cheers. Ooh, that's so good. Like, this is my go-to now when I make coffees at home. It's the vanilla from Torani, and I use the espresso from Cafe Bustelo, and I add a little bit of oat milk, and it's perfect every time. Like, I promise. So yeah. And I wanted to show you the cookies I made yesterday night. They were so cute. like, I'm gonna try to make more Christmassy cookies soon, so I'm excited for that. But let's try it together. I didn't really get a chocolate chip, but it's in there. 10 out of 10. It's so good. I think I added my recipe there, so. So cute, my little setup here with my coffee, the cookie, and my really cute background. And it's also Taylor Swift's birthday today, so happy birthday, Taylor. We love her. I'm gonna start playing some of her songs. Well, that's the end of this video, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!